The universal wheel. Do you see this wheel over here? I'm going to show you a second wheel. Okay, do you see this wheel over here? This rim holds the wheel steady. This area over here can tilt. Okay, here's your main pull. Let's say Earth had a center, different gears, different speeds. We can run time on this. Our bodies are intricate in time. And now you would say, well, how come our productivity is more? How come our productivity is less? Et cetera, et cetera. Because it's all based in a time, and it's not enough to say, oh, we did 12 bags an hour and the next hour we did 16 bags. So there was a difference. How come some days it seems like it goes so fast and some days it seems so slow? Because it's all relative to the gearage and time. You see, there's multiple gears here. Although you're one bicycle, okay, if these were separate, we'd have one bicycle connected to different chains and different elements, okay, one bike running 5 different areas. You're running in first gear. This guy is going 6 times the speed, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1 times your speed. This is how we're spoked out. You know, they take oil out of our earth, right? The oil is not good for our gears. Maybe that's the sounds we're hearing. Anyways, I don't want to talk about that. I just want to talk about that, the wheel of life, you know, the core. So there's an upper one, right? There's 2 sides of this one. Now there's got to be 2 sides to the other one. What would be the interior? I know this is a basketball net, but to me it's a lot more than that. It gives me an idea. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.